Welcome back. Let's dive deeper into PL/SQL today with Tech with D. Today we will cover iterative control statements while loop and for loop, exit statement, exit when statement, and continue statement. Let's see for loop first. A for loop in place SQL is like giving the computer a set of instructions to repeat a task a certain number of times, or for each item in a list. The syntax of for loop is shown on the screen. Here lower bound and upper bound are used to control the range of numbers. And statements are the line of code that you want to execute for this range. Let's see an example. Here counter I is set to range 1 to 10. So it will increment the counter by 1 and print it. Now let's see reverse for loop. Here the syntax is similar, only the reverse keyword is added. And the range is written in reverse order, means upper bound first then lower bound. In the example shown on the screen, the counter I is initially 10 and then decrements by 1 in loop down to 1. Now let's see while loop. Here we need to specify the condition. Syntax is shown on screen. In the example, two variables are declared num1 and num2. The value of num1 will be taken from user and num2 is set to 1. The loop executes until the num2 becomes equal to num1. Here increment-decrement statement needs to be explicitly mentioned. So in example, num2 is incremented by 1 inside the loop. There are few statements to control the execution of loops. Exit statement is used to directly terminate the loop and get out of it. Exit when statement is used when you want to exit the loop only when certain condition is met. Continue statement is used to skip the current iteration and continue with next iteration in current loop. That's all for today. If you like our video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do let us know your feedback in the comment section. Keep up the learning, and I'll catch you in the next session. Goodbye.